Today we're looking at the Hialeah industrial submarket where we have 1,673 properties. That is the densest submarket that we have for industrial properties. Right now we've got 44 actively for sale and 74 actively for lease. And in the past 3 months we've seen 13 sales and 20 leases. As far as dollar per square foot on the leasing, we're at $14.98 a square foot, and that is expected to continue to rise in the long term over the next 5 years. Going back into the dollar per square foot, that one is now at $201 a square foot, just broke the $200 mark. And when we've seen that one, that's when we begin to see that the cap rate begins to take over, continues to increase, and the dollar will probably level out, maybe come down $1 or $2, like we've seen in a few other ones. The expectation is, again, that it will hold for about a year and then will continue to increase. And then as far as the cap rate, again, we're at 6%. That's up a little bit from last year, and we can expect that one to continue to go up to about 6.2, and then from there it will come back down again. So that goes in line with the pricing. As far as the distribution, we've seen anywhere from 4% to an 8% cap rate in pricing. Again, the bulk of it has been between 7 and 8. So we're expecting that one, again, at some point that the pricing is going to level off and the cap rate will climb another point or two. As far as sales, we've seen 67 properties that sold all of last year. Only 40 of those were listed. So again, we know that 27 properties sold off market, and according to statistics, you're usually selling at about 20% less than what their property value is. So if you're thinking about selling, reach out to us, let us know so that we can guide you the process, let you know how we can possibly help you, and make sure that you get the best price possible for your particular property. And in terms of going back into the pricing, if you're thinking about buying, now is definitely a good time because there's a flat line where you're going to see for the next 12 months where the prices will stabilize. It's a good time to get into the market if you're actively thinking about getting some additional space out there. If you need some information about another submarket or something else, reach out to us, let us know.